Greetings, bruv. Allow me to communicate with you momentarily. Why are fellows conversing that you're going around conversing that you've had sexual relations with my father and the likes? Are you by any chance the son of Roddington Jr., casually known as Little Rodney? Indubitably, I'm Little Rodney's son. Therefore, are you referring to Roddington, whose buttocks is fascinatingly enormous? Oi, why are you disrespecting me, bruv? My mistake, original gangster. No, this cannot be forgiven. Now empty the compartments of your pantaloons. For what purpose? And discard of your footwear as well. For what purpose? In fact, I am equipped to summon the one casually known as Little Travis on your buffoon self. His slugs are sure to deal a heavy load of damage.